steel frame race car with Dodge Rams, Chevy Silverados, Ford F-150s, and Toyota Tundra bodies. 800 pounds of metal fiberglass. And these are some pretty tough trucks. First time out this season ever, actually, at Grand Bend Speedway with the junior mini trucks and the younger of drivers of the two divisions. And some names you'll recognize from other divisions in the past. 57 Ethan Orr, defending Series Junior A champion, will bring us the green flag in his 57 machine. I guess these are all rookies, if you don't want to call it that. 13, Cody Wild in the 14 ride. 17, Hailey McNicol. 48, Connor Ellis. And McKenna Robson in the 3 truck, I don't believe made it out here. Most of these teams have had their trucks for a lengthy period of time, except the 48 truck who just got that thing recently. Here comes McKenna Robson, the 3 truck. She'll roll out here very shortly. So we will have 2 truck divisions this season here at Grand Bend Speedway. The Pro Truck Division, the older drivers with a bit more experience, and of course the youngsters, which we have right here now. White flag deployed here, white flag. Ethan Orr and Cody Wild to bring us to the green flag. Hailey McNicol, 17, 48, Connor Ellis. In row number 2.
Hi, Patty.
J&B Recycling, the proud presenter of the Junior Truck Division. As we roll the turn 4 this time by, we'll see the green flag off and running. Takes these trucks about a lap or so to get the full song. All 9 horsepower of these machines.
Come on, Hales. Oh my God.
Ethan Orr in the 57 machine, side-by-side battle for second place between the 14 of Wild and 17 of Hailey McNicol. They go wheel to wheel, tunnel cover to tunnel cover. Here's second spot, the 17 of McNicol.
Come on, kiddo.
First spot, the 48 car of Connor Ellis. But here comes the 17 machine on the back door. Out the 57 of Ethan Orr. Front 3 cars on those to tail. Front 3 trucks, front first 2 tailgate as they roll off turn 3 and 4 this time. Or up front, McNicol inside. Let's see inside out turn 4. Stays in line. Ethan Orr, the wheel engine bases over there. 17 rolls up the back tailgate. Ethan Orr, defending Series Junior A champion.
Come on, Hales. Come on, Hales.
Wild competes on the first part of the division. And there's the 48 car of Connor Ellis. Front 3 of a great battle there in the back straightaway. Chasing the 57 of Ethan Orr, the 17 trying to find a way by. Up the outside, then putting it back in line. Wild to be one lane higher. slow inside of the 17 truck. Wads the backside of it there. Lost on the momentum and he'll lose the ground in the number 17 truck. Ethan Orr, 57, out front. He's got the 17 of McNicol right in the back bumper. Trying to find a way by.
Hey Wayne, she just turned 12 in March. This is her first race ever in this truck.
14, Cody Wild against Willie Wheels. These two front drivers in. And now it's another three-way dogfight. Wild back in the party. McNicol trying to find a way by the 57 rather. Goes to the outside here in turn one. Then Wiley's back to the inside lane and check the bottom. Here comes Wild down low. Hits to the inside door here. Oh, almost got some contact there, but they keep on rolling. All this goes on in this hot pursuit of the 57 of Ethan Orr. McNicol trying to find a way by, gets right under the tailgate of that 57 machine. Wild up there now, he comes that second spot. Goes inside and almost some more contact there. They're really racing hard for the top spot here. 57 Orr, 14 Wild. 70 McNicol, they out front here. 48 truck, first time on this year with that truck is Colorado. Field scrambles off turn 4, Wild up top. Goes the outside lane. Ethan Orr protects the bottom side. They're side by side, tonneau cover, as they work to turn 3 and 4. Grand race there. Just by nose, the 57 machine. The Wild up top.
Come on, Hales.
The 17 of McNicol looks on. Which way will she go? She has to stay to the inside. Running side-by-side battle for the top spot. Here in the J&B Recycling Truck. As they're on elbows there in the third 1 and 2 side. McNicol looks on. Over to the bottom, Wild up top. The 14 truck by Dustin Knowles that time.
Come on, Hales, yeah, baby!
Losing momentum at the 14th on the outside lane through Vail.
Come on, Hailey.
And driving the 17 along with, the 57 falls back to third. And now Cody Wild will lead the field at turn number 4. McNicol giving chase, looking inside on the third quarter side. Making the race track shorter, and now she's on the hill. On turn 2.
Absolutely.
This race ain't over yet, race fans.
So much better in this center car. Come on, Hailey.
Cody Wild, 14, 17, so momentum on the exchange. Out of turn 4, white flag deployed. McNicol has one more look downstairs.
Come on, Hales.
We'll run out of laps here. Let us one more last ditch effort. In the third 3 and 4 side.
Come on.
Time by, checkered flag waving. 14 Cody Wild. McNicol.
Baby girl.
57 Orr for third. 48 of Colorado for fourth.